Good morning, everyone. Happy Easter. For those of you that do celebrate Easter, I am going to take you step by step on how to create a virtual party. And just so you know, this is going to be the easier version, and I hope that everyone can follow. First thing you do is that you open your slides, and then you will start at the top, select all, and clear. So I'm going to need about 3 slides. So I go to the left, Control D, D, let's do 4. Okay. This will be our title slide with directions. And let's go to slide 2, which will be the area that we will be giving the gifts away. Actually, we need one more. Okay. Let's start with the title slide and how to create a virtual event. And the sample today will be grab all of this, put it in the middle, select the font, select the size, and then I will give it a background. Let's hit the background, image, search, stay, background. There, don't have to even finish. And let's hit, it's going to be the birthday background. Hopefully you can see everything I wrote. Okay, but I do not want a theme because I'm going to have different ones for each one. You can stick to one theme if you like, but I prefer this one. And because we love Bitmoji, I will put my birthday Bitmoji, open up your extension in your Chrome, and select your favorite one. I will keep to the cake. You just drag. Click and drag. If you don't like that one, I don't know why it's telling me this. Of course, there it is. It's finally dragging. When you see that little plus sign. Now, if you don't happen to like that one, the best way to find any birthday Bitmojis is you just put in the keyword birthday. And of course, they all pop up. And I prefer having poses here, so I might want to use a couple more, so I'm going to choose the one of giving somebody a gift as well. And the best, if we're going to assume that you don't have a lot of people, so let's say you're creating this for a child or a friend. Now you have to think of the theme. I think I'll create one for a 5-year-old girl. No, 2-year-old. So I'm going to go here, and this will be my surprise waiting room. The second slide is our surprise waiting room. And I'm going to, again, choose the background. And for the waiting room, I will choose to be in the background. I actually like the purple balloons. I will insert them. And this is where they're going to see their birthday message. Let's do something different now. Let's add some word art. Happy birthday. And let's give it a fill. Let just stand out. Let's try that. And then let's give it a background. The background. Okay, so it's happy birthday, Lynn. Now with this, you just grab it and you can size it to fit where you want. It does not look that great. So I don't like that. So then I'm going to go back to the text, put my text box in here, and we're going to write happy. I love this one. Happy birthday. And don't worry, I know what happened. It got flipped. I will reflip it back. And then again, grab the writing, decide which one you want, decide the size that fits there the most, and I'm going to put this in the middle. Now we're going to go here, and this is now time to put their presents that they will be clicking. The directions are that the child, whoever's birthday it is, they will select a present and everyone will watch what they open. So again, we need the background. Where do we want to be this time? has to be somewhere where I can add people. Decisions, it's always the hardest for me. Here we go. This will be her background. Okay, done. Now I need 2 presents. I prefer jumping presents, so I have them here saved already in Giphy. I can just choose. I need 2 presents, single presents that are cute. Well, this one has a logo at the bottom. This is not a clear present. Oh, there we go. We're seeing some clear presents. Okay, I like this one. So over here, look for the one that says link. Click it once. It's copied. Then you go back here and you will insert. So to insert your image by URL, Control V, insert. I said I need 2 images, and to save me from going back, I'm going to Control D, I'll duplicate so I have 2 presents. And I'm going to format this to a different color. Right click, format, recolor, and I can change the color. 2 presents doing exactly the same thing. Now I would like the clip art that I chose for the birthday presents. Control C, because I'm giving them the birthday presents. And you have got to make sure that your presents overlap. They should be on the top layer. So I'm going to take my little GIF of me out here, the Bitmoji. Otherwise, when you link them, they will not work. So they should be the last thing that you put on the slide. Again, there's my presents. This way, you see how this line touches this line? If they click on the present, it will actually be this one, and we don't want that. So this one should be in the back, and just to double make sure, see, it says send to back. It should have already gone to the back, and just to make sure, I will keep that rectangle out. You can make the rectangle smaller, but when you play with it, you may not be able, see, you might fool with the photo. See, now the rectangle would be smaller. Let's put me back there on the ground. Okay, now we're going to add the next step, which would be the backgrounds and the games. So background layer would be, again, we're going to choose a background. You can keep the same background throughout, but I like to change it up. I like the purple one. Then I'll go to the next one and choose another background. This one looks much better. This one looks too stretched out, so it's fine for now. We will now insert 2 activities. I will go over to YouTube and I'm going to do a Would You Rather birthday edition, something that is relevant for children. That's a spring Would You Rather, which is okay. It's the spring season, and we do like these videos. They have a lot of them in our group. So let's do Would You Rather by them. Share, copy. Let me just stop that and go back. And we will insert video, select, place in the middle. Okay, we're going to do the second one. Would you rather? And then now we need a kid-oriented spring birthday, celebrate, hip-hop, happy birthday for kids. Oh, yeah, some of the kids like them, some don't. Share, okay, again, go back here, and then I'll show you something. When you have any videos that you add to here, you can decide how they'll be played. When you add a video, you see here, you can either play it on click, play it automatically, or manual. For this one, I would rather just let this, since you know they're a birthday person, let them click on it. So I leave it with what it is here. And you can also decide to start, let's say we don't want to see the beginning, the advertisement. You just say there. Oh, okay, hold on a minute. Hold on a second. We want to start it at the let's go back. So again, you're watching the video and you don't want the kids to hear, do you want to subscribe or like? So listen until you hear it. Directions are now go to the end. Okay, we don't need to do a shout out. Okay, right after this 20 seconds, I'm going to stop it because you don't have to have it to be the 6 minutes. Okay, done. So now this will be cut down to what we wanted. It's only going to go for about 3 minutes, and it takes out all the advertisements for the kids so they don't have to see them. Again, you can do that for the next video. Why do I have 2 of the same video? Okay, I accidentally got 2 of the same videos. So the hip hop one I did not get. So I need to go back, copy, go back into Untitled, and got the right one. Okay. Insert video, Control V, and oh, because I didn't hit that. I forgot to hit search. Okay, again, you go here. And let's show you how to do that again. I'll have them play it on click, but let's watch a minute just to see. I don't want to hear. Okay, let's start it here. And then let's end it. We don't want to watch the advertisements. So, okay, click. Around 139. So now we don't have to see the subscribe, like, okay, for the kids. So now we need this to be triggered. So I need a little bit of clip art to go back. So I'm going to use the balloon as a trigger here. I'll add it to the, okay. We want them to trigger to number 3. So let's first add this, insert the image, URL, and you let them know these balloons will take you back to your present. And to do that, again, select the slide. We want them to go to the previous slide. Apply. And I'm not going to do that way. Sorry. We'll count the slide as number 3. So again, select this presentation. We want slide number 3. Apply. If you don't hit apply, it will not be saved. The reason I want it to be slide number 3, so now all I have to do is go copy, go to the next slide, and now they both go to number 3. And here you can tell them the directions on this slide. Let's begin your surprise party. Click your present. So the birthday child reads those directions, and that's what they're going to do. Again, I like to align, have them somewhere in the middle there, and then I have to make it a little bit bigger so the child can see, and then that's good to go. So this is just your basic party, and then I don't want to take up any more time. So then you just go back in and you can add your decorations. Like let's say you want that one. I hate when it does that. It takes it forever. I just want a little bit of the room decorations. So I will add that here. Insert, image, URL. And depending on your skills and how well you understand how to work around this already, is how much and how far you're going to take the room. You can add, like, if there's 6 presents. If they're 30, I want to do 30 presents, but you know, just to have fun with the room. And if you have any questions, just ask me. I will try to answer them. Just send me a direct message through Facebook. And again, this is how to create a virtual birthday party. So I will include this sample for you to use and share your samples of what you've come up with and how you use them. And I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.